Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create chat folder on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Telegram has a feature that allows you to organize your chat into chat folders. If you're like me, someone who mutes most of the notification from messaging apps, then there is a change. You might miss any important messages, but with folders, you can add a clean scroll through the messages from your most important chats. So how to create folders on your Telegram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can just tap on the three lines over here. You can go to settings, tap on settings. And on the settings, you'll find there's an option chat folder. You can just tap on that. In here, you can just create a new folder by tap on here, create new folder. You can choose the folder name, maybe like this, Fizzy. You can include chats in here. Add chat, you can choose the contact. Tap on checklist. You can exclude chat. You can choose the folder color and you can just save it. So now you have created the new folder chat on your Telegram. So simple, right? So that is how to create chat folder on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.